Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. I am such a huge fan of things that make my life easier and I love organizing. So when I saw these little shelves from ShowerGem, I just knew I needed them.
I am so obsessed with these shower caddies. They are no suction cup, so you can mount them right to the wall. And let me tell you, the installation was so easy. You just have to follow the instructions. They tell you to use the glue on these wall mounters, and then you stick them right where you want them and you wait 24 hours, and then you can put your shower caddies on these and they are not going to go anywhere. I really love how these are set up. They fit perfectly in the little sides of my shower. And now I have one, and my husband has one for all of our shampoos. And I love that it has a razor holder and that I can hang our loofahs from here, and that the soap fits perfectly. And all of these things will drain so easily, so you're not going to have any leftover wet shower gunk collecting on these. I am just completely in love with these caddies by ShowerGem. I think they're super, super high quality.
I love these shower organizers from ShowerGem and I think you're really gonna love them too. And that's my point of view.